Good morning, guys. We're going to Niagara cherry picking for today. So it's currently 7:13 and we're heading out. Good morning, guys. We are heading out to cherry picking for today near Niagara Falls. So we're gonna go pick up our pastors and we're gonna enjoy the day.
Film me.
I'm filming you. See you there. We're going ahead!
Okay yan ah. Yan ba yung pinapakita mo? Doon sa Instagram?
Iba yan pa, diba?
Pinakamataas na bridge sa Hamilton. Ay sa buong Ontario.
Mas lang laon yun lang dito ah.
Jak pa lang karkargaan na ganyan.
Mo picture.
Tapos, sabi? Say hi!
Hello!
Hi!
Go, igam. Go, igamam ko, nak. Ala, kadir.
Ang taas. Hirap.
Ay, mahulog ka. Kawawa yung lupa.
Ang hirap. Ang hirap umakyat. Oh, taas na.
Pag nahulog ka, kawawa yung lupa.
Ah!
Ang pakla naman dito.
Ano pong masasabi nyo sa inyong cherry picking today?
Ang masasabi ko, sa Pilipinas, alatiris lang to. Dito, cherry. Social. Quality control.
Yahoo! I think this one is awesome.
Duhat from Canada.
Thank you. Thank you. Okay, we're done cherry picking. Next stop, music festival in Niagara Falls. How are you?
Tired.
Tired, but fun.
Anong ba Niagara Falls?
Hi guys, we're in Niagara on the lake instead of Niagara Falls.
Yes.
And now we need to drive another 30 minutes. Good driver.
Kaya nga sabi ko lang, kanina pa ako salita na ngayon ko lang napuntahan to.
Nasa SSS po kami. Sol.
Magno-noodles na lang ako.
Noodles na kapudpudot. So hot though. Okay.
Diretso na po si ano kanina?
May meeting pa ako.
Maligid.
So hot. Take a run.
Welcome to Lorna Mahinang's garden! Now we have these cherries, freshly picked. And meron pa tayong garden dito. Nandito po kami ngayon sa Batak, Ilocos Norte.
Freshly picked too, mais.
And also may mga hotdog pa tayo dito. And ding dong!
For the win! For the win! Tita Mylene, sukang, paumbong.
Are we doing barbecue?
Say hi to my vlog.
Hello.
Hi! Kayo yung unang guest ng vlog ko.
Hello! Hello! We're having barbecue here.
Okay? Say hi to my vlog.
Hi vlog.
안녕하세요. Set, hindi nila.
You're the first guest.
Hi! Welcome to the Philippines!
Tapos diba?
Hi to my vlog.
Nagkamali kayo, hindi kayo pumunta rito. Kasi pagkatapos nyo kumain, may libreng $5.
Hi, welcome to my vlog.
Hi, vlog!
Hi, vlog.
Hi, Vlogag!
Naning, say hi to my vlog. Hi. Axel, say hi. Hi. Good job. Almer, hi. Show your teeth. Show your teeth. Show your teeth. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Why so cutie? Say hi. Naning, say hi. Hi. Hi, you want to see them? Hi, vlog. Welcome to my guys. Hi.
Go up.
Oh no, where is Shiloh?
Oh my
I
god.
think Shiloh's sleeping.
Okay, if Shiloh is not sleeping, I will tickle him and he will move.
He will have. Oh,
Ay,
he
he's
moved,
sleeping.
He moved.
He's sleeping.
He is sleeping.
He's moving. That means he's sleeping.
Can you tell me your name? What's your name?
Yes!
How old are you?
I'm 4.
Good job, Kuya. What's your name?
I'm to sit.
Axel said. How old are you?
4.
4. Good job. What's your name?
What's your name?
What's your name?
Ano mangyayari sa halo-halo pag binaliktad mo?
Ano?
Eh di, matatapon.
Yummy. Cheers.